Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this episode, we finally get the FJ55 to drive. I get to drive it on some back roads finally, put some finishing touches on it, and actually wash it. One of the big things that I was able to do to the truck this time on the episode is take the JT Outfitters Baseplate for the Weber carburetor and have it all machined on Evans at Classic Motors CNC so it would fit and eliminate any vacuum leaks. So I hope you really enjoyed this episode, and if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. See you in the episode, and enjoy. So I just got this really great kit from JT Outfitters. I was running into some huge vacuum leaks on the intake of the FJ55. As you can see, the original Weber plates there, they're leaking like crazy, especially here at the bottom. So I think this kit here cost about $100 shipped. It comes with all the hardware needed to replace that. It's just less of a faulty point, so there isn't more air and gaskets. So right now there's 3 gaskets on there. So we're gonna get that all changed out.
And I hear you inside, but my mouth open wide, and the world could hear my screaming. Show my love, how I feel. Is it fake or is it real? Oh, it's love, just a price I keep paying. Da da dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da da dum, da da dum, da da da. Is it cold in a glass of alcohol? And he said, "Take me to heaven." And I climbed up the stairs and I saw you standing there. You said you'd always been waiting. Come along, let me in. We'll sit and never see you again. Like funny banks of Bagaloom. Da-da-da.
I'm going to go ahead and remove this seat. As you can see, it's all split up. If you've been following the channel, I was able to grab a awesome back seat from the parts truck that we just cut up. So basically this is pretty easy. Just 2 bolts down here, right there. Same thing on the other side. Yep, that's the stuff. Woo! I'm super excited to announce that the truck is ready for its first wash. It's finally moving and driving on its own power. So let's wash this thing up and see if we can make it look a little better. Alright guys, the 55 is finally running. I can finally go and drive some back roads and actually enjoy it. So this is going to be the conclusion of the FJ55 series for now, at least on the blue and white truck. Tomorrow it's going in to have an exhaust put on because it's extremely loud and all those fumes come into the cab. But overall, I am so excited to finally get to drive one of these down some old gravel roads. So thank you so much for following the channel so far. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe, like, and share these videos, as it keeps me motivated to keep on putting stuff like this back on the road. So cheers, I'm so glad that you stopped by, and we'll see you in the next video.